Hello everyone, welcome. So I have got a pulse oximeter today, as you all can see. It's a must-have gadget in new normal, like your smartphone. So let's just check it out. It's a Chinese brand called IMDK. Let's just open it. Okay, that's a manual. Check it later. This is a guarantee card, but I guess it's not valid unless you are in China. Now the oximeter. It's a cute little black oximeter, but it seems like a mini stapler. It's very lightweighted and easy to carry. That's just serial number and manufacturer. It's a small hole where you can put the stripe, and this is where you can put your finger. That is a stripe. Okay, just open it. You need two small pencil batteries. So pencil battery 1 and 2 is done. So the oximeter is powered on. Okay, it's just instructing you to put your finger, and this is again the serial number. It's on the battery lid. Okay, now let's just power it on and check it out if it shows correctly. So I put my finger on. So there is one thing I would like to say. If the yellow graph is moving, that means it's working, and if it's not moving, it's not working. So here are the features of oximeter explained. So there is pulse rate, bar graph display, there is SpO2, there is oxygen saturation, there is a small battery power indicator, there is pulse rate, and there is PI, which is perfusion index display, and there is power button. That's almost most oximeters feature. Okay, so here it is. Let's just open the stripe and put it on. We have to check the oximeter with other objects too. Maybe we'll try it with a pencil or pen, but let's just put the stripe on first. Okay, no, let's just check it with pen first. Okay, on the oximeter, and okay, look, the yellow graph is not moving, so it's correct. And if you remove it, it will just automatically show instruction to put your finger in the oximeter. So let's just use the pen and put on the stripe. Okay, I think it's it. Oh no, it's almost done. Now we just have to wrap it around. Okay, so it's all done. Now the oximeter is completely unboxed and equipped. So where is the manual? There are some instructions you can read, by the way, but I would just like to say these are just normal instruction, and there's a detailed description of what is oxygen saturation, BPM, PI. You can read it out and check it out. There is also a brief discussion that what to do and what to not do with this oximeter. So there are some cleaning and other instructions. This is good, you can read.